Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to customize screen battery optimization options in Realme 14x phone, where to find them and how to make some changes. So first we need to open settings. Next in settings we need to go to battery option, then power savings settings, and we need to scroll to screen battery optimization menu. And here we have a few options. We can disable this function, we can enable balance mode, or we can enable superpower saving mode for this menu. At the bottom, as you can see, we have explanation what does this function do, and we can pick and choose whatever we want from these modes in our screen battery optimization menu. And that's all.